In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create stunning infographics with Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your browser and go to the notebook you want to work with. In this example, I am using a notebook focused on feline ecology, including predation habits and nutritional requirements. The exact topic does not matter. What matters is that your notebook already has source material inside it because Notebooklm uses those sources to generate visuals that stay grounded in your content. Once your notebook is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place. You should be able to see the notebook interface with your content and tools available. This is helpful because infographic generation works best when your sources are clear and well organized. If your notebook includes multiple documents, the infographic will pull the key points it considers most relevant, so strong sources lead to stronger results. Next, find and click on Infographic. This option is where Notebooklm shifts from text-based help into a visual format. When you select Infographic, you are telling the tool that you want your information summarized and presented in a designed layout, rather than as a plain response. This can be useful for turning research notes, lesson content, or topic overviews into something you can quickly share or review. After you click Infographic, look for the Sync option and click on Sync. Sync is important because it updates the infographic to match the most current state of your notebook. If you recently added a new source, edited your material, or refined the content you want included, syncing helps ensure the infographic reflects those changes. It is a good habit to sync anytime you make updates, especially right before you plan to use or present the infographic. Give it a moment to refresh. Once it syncs, you should have an updated infographic generated from your notebook content, ready for you to view and use within the tool. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.